Oh, Oleh. You've got your Teudat Oleh and Teudat Zehut. Now it's time to open a bank account. This is your key to receiving government benefits, paying bills, and managing your everyday expenses in Israel. Head to the bank branch and bring your documents. Your Teudat Oleh, Teudat Zehut, passport, proof of address, and your visa or immigration papers. Don't forget to bring copies too. Once inside, tell the staff you're a new Oleh. They'll guide you through the forms, and most banks have English-speaking staff ready to help. Now, let's talk about ahm-Loht. These are bank service fees for things like using ATMs or transferring money between banks. Even using your own bank's ATMs can sometimes cost you fees. Helpful tip for you, Oleh. If you're a student or serving in the IDF or doing Sharut Leomi, mention it to the bank. You might be entitled to waived fees. And as a new Oleh, always ask about waiving fees and see what special offers they have for immigrants. Here's a little insider trick. At the end of each year, ask the bank again about waiving your fees for the upcoming year. If they say no, casually mention you're thinking of switching banks. Almost every time, they'll suddenly find a way to remove those fees. You can do this every single year. It works like a charm. Before you leave the bank, make sure you get a confirmation letter showing that your account is open and active. You'll need this document to start receiving your Sal Klita payments from Sal Klita. No confirmation letter means no money. And don't worry, if the bank doesn't print it for you, you can always download the confirmation through your online banking account or banking app. Every bank in Israel lets you access it digitally, anytime. With your account set up and your confirmation ready, you're all set to receive Sal Klita, pay bills, and manage your money like a pro. The bank is just another big step in your exciting new life in Israel. For more tips and guidance on all things Aliyah, visit allaboutaliyah.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.